Hi! In front of me is Nokia G10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then you need to choose security, click on screen lock and tap on one of the locking methods, swipe pattern, pin or password. Then enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!